Hi, I'm Jason Taranto. I'm a sales manager for Ampol Petroleum Distributors. Today we're at beautiful Kirra Beach for the 2026 Aussie Masters Surf Life Saving Championships. It's a long-standing event that Ampol has been supporting, second year down here at Kirra. We love just giving back to the community. We love supporting our surf lifesavers across Australia. The Aussies are obviously the epitome of surf lifesaving. You get all of the clubs from around Australia coming to the Gold Coast competing, so yeah, it's awesome. Ampol's involvement is obviously fueling all of the needs for the surf lifesaving equipment that they've got here for the championship. So whether that's the jet skis or the IRBs or the beach buggies or just keeping the generators going to keep the lights on. Surf lifesaving is, iconic part of Australia. And yeah, we just love being involved. Ampol support a lot of local charity events. I guess for us, Lights on the Hill is probably one of our major events that we support each year. There's so much equipment that needs to be filled. It's impossible to have trucks in and out of here. It probably wouldn't be as safe filling, equipment that way. So by having Go Industrial help supply the tanks, that's just made it so much easier for the event organisers just to keep things running smoothly. Having all the tanks run off solar just means that they don't have to worry about providing an external power source to keep the power up to the tank. So obviously the tanks have a backup as well, that if they need to switch over to generator power, they can, but reliability is 100% what we need. Ampol prides itself on quality products and quality solutions, and we need that from all of our suppliers that we deal with. So having Go as a reliable partner and helping us with our tanks and servicing solutions, it's made it easier and gives us confidence to know that when things go wrong, that we've got support there that we need.